Introducing the Oral-B Vitality CrossAction Electric Toothbrush, your essential tool for achieving a superior clean every time you brush. Designed with precision and performance in mind, this electric toothbrush combines innovative technology with the trusted Oral-B brand to elevate your oral care routine. Features of Oral-B Vitality CrossAction Electric Toothbrush. Replacement brush heads. The Oral-B Vitality CrossAction Electric Toothbrush comes with replacement brush heads, ensuring you always have a fresh and effective brush head ready to use for optimal cleaning. Rotation brush technology. Featuring rotation brush technology, this electric toothbrush delivers a thorough and effective clean by oscillating and rotating to remove plaque and debris from your teeth and gums. 2-minute timer. With a built-in 2-minute timer, the Oral-B Vitality CrossAction Electric Toothbrush helps you brush for the recommended duration recommended by dentists, ensuring a comprehensive clean every time. CrossAction bristles. The CrossAction brush head features crisscross bristles angled at 16 degrees, effectively reaching deep between teeth to remove plaque and promote gum health. Superior cleaning. This electric toothbrush provides superior cleaning compared to manual toothbrushes, ensuring a more thorough and effective clean with every use. Easy to use. With its simple and intuitive design, the Oral-B Vitality CrossAction Electric Toothbrush is easy to use for users of all ages, making it ideal for the whole family. Trusted brand. Oral-B is a trusted brand recommended by dentists worldwide, known for its quality oral care products that deliver exceptional results. Upgrade your oral care routine with the Oral-B Vitality CrossAction Electric Toothbrush and experience the difference of a cleaner, healthier smile. With its advanced features and reliable performance, this electric toothbrush is sure to become an essential part of your daily hygiene routine.